Okay, I picked up this tool chest. It's a Craftsman home storage. I think it may be like from the 1980s. And I'm going to restore it, but it has these friction slides in the drawers. They're not ball bearing. And I watched a previous video of somebody kind of hammering down these little extrusions to get the drawers out, and there's an easier way, which I'm going to show right now. So all you need is a regular saw blade. They're run in the mill. You can buy them at the hardware store if you don't have one. You break off one end and you remove the little hole part. So like break it off about here, like I did on the other side. And then you bend it. Just put a small angle in there. You can do it in a vise or with a pair of pliers. Let me see if I can get this to focus in. There you go. So that's all you really need to take out the drawers practically without any tools. I mean, you might need a hammer and a little wood block to kind of force it if you have to, and some pliers, but I think you can do it with your bare hands. So I'll show you the first couple of drawers on here. So I'll start on the top left. All right, there you go. So if you pull out the drawer, you'll see it gets stuck on these little lips on the sides. They're here and here, and then the same thing as this slide again is connected in a similar way to the actual case itself. So you take the saw blade, you slide it in behind, so between the slider and the drawer itself, till you get past the little pointer. So push it in a little bit, the drawer, past the saw blade in with the angle towards the walls of the drawer case. Okay, so now you basically have this lip covered in here, and I'm just going to take the camera a little closer so you can better see. There you go. So you slide the saw in like this, past this little lip, and at this point I can actually, by pressure of my thumb, I can just push it. Well, so I was too optimistic. It takes a little speed to do that, but boom. So now I've passed it past this lip, and this slide is now released from the drawer case. I can do the same thing on the other side here. I'm gonna give it a little room, past the saw behind it, and push it past the lip, and the drawer comes out just like this, easy peasy. Now to get the slides out, it's the same story. This time the pointy lip is actually on the other side, so we are going to put a little light in here so I can see what I'm doing. So now again, we're going to put the saw in, same direction with the hook, which will put it past the lip that's on this case here. We have to go further back in now. You can kind of feel it when you're past the lip, but it's pretty much, the saw for me ends up here at the end, and you should be able to just pull it out now without having to hammer any pieces out. Same thing again. So again, I'm taking the angle towards the wall, and I felt it go past the lip there, and now I should just be able to pull it out. So there you go. Absolutely no tools required other than this saw blade, and you can take the drawers out that easily.